According to one theory, mayonnaise originated in the town of Mahón in Spain, where it was known as salsa mayonesa. Mayonnaise makes sandwiches zestier, turns canned tuna into tuna salad, hard-boiled eggs into egg salad, and
The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Virginia Emergency Management Agency, Charleston, West Virginia. There has been a spill of an amine solution into Paint Creek. This is a very odorous material and a marine pollutant. Avoid the water in Paint Creek. Drinking water is not affected.
pump draws the eggs through the hose into a refrigerated receiving tank.